Bidi Bidi as a settlement is one of the largest settlement in Uganda, and also I think the second largest in the world.
There are quite many challenges we have been facing. The staffing is limited compared to the number of learners. So to catch up with the learners, staff have always wished to have extra lessons, including at night.
Film, lazima ana mamulu rugizo na sana kalama light mafu ya kutu ana mamulu rugizo homework bija kuta bija mulu late maybe ligo books be agile getu talisa gamul homework kaka.
Installing lights in the school will actually attract the students to come and study and gradually also improve their performance.
Now we are back to Bidi Bidi to see that all other zones also they get solar for light in their schools.
The We Share Solar project is a partnership project between the Allied and We Share Solar stroke Kavala University.
We want you to use it, and then the students who are following you will also come and do what? And use it.
I believe we have power. Our school is now has light. I believe the students that doesn't have lights at home, they will now have opportunity and that chance to read at school.
The activities that I will be having basically on how I am going to be using this light. First of all, it is going to help me to create group discussions.
On the side of my colleague teachers, many teachers are going to wish to support these learners at night, to teach them such that to boost the syllabus coverage.
With this solar light, I can read at night.